Your brain is currently trapped in a loop of cheap dopamine. You want success, but laziness wins every single day. If you don't break this cycle now, you will stay exactly where you are for the next 5 years. Here is the 21 days monk mode protocol to cure your laziness permanently in 10 brutal steps. Rule 1. Wake up at the exact same time. Consistency builds discipline far faster than early mornings. Choose a time, stick to it, and reset your internal clock. 2. Ban your phone for the first 60 minutes. Do not start your day by consuming other people's lives. Use the first hour to think, breathe, and plan your day before the world demands your attention. 3. Do 90 minutes of deep work before noon. No notifications, no music with lyrics, no multitasking. Just pure, uninterrupted focus on your biggest goal. 4. Track your daily screen time. You don't lack time, you lack focus. If you measure where your attention goes, you reclaim control over your life. 5. Complete 30 minutes of intense movement. Run, lift, or stretch. Physical exhaustion kills mental laziness. Consistency beats intensity every single time. 6. Read 10 pages of a nonfiction book daily. Books allow you to borrow decades of wisdom in just a few minutes. 10 pages a day will completely rewrite your mindset. 7. Apply the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. Destroy procrastination before it even has a chance to start. Number 8. Delay your rewards. Do not chase instant gratification. Earn your relaxation, your gaming, and your entertainment only after your hard work is done. 9. Master the skill of saying no. Say no to low-value hangouts, toxic habits, and people who drain your energy. Protect your peace at all costs. And number 10. Keep one small promise to yourself. Do what you said you would do, even when you don't feel like it. That is how real self-respect and unstoppable confidence are built. The next 21 days are going to pass anyway. You can either spend them scrolling and regretting, or you can join the top 1% who choose to suffer now so they can win later. If you're actually serious about changing your life today, drop a comment saying day 0 right now to seal this contract. Like this video to save it into your algorithm so you can return here daily to track your progress. Subscribe to Nexel Mind. Start your journey today and stop making excuses. See you at day 21. Stay sharp.